I put, say, right about there would be good. It doesn't really matter, but as long as they're at an angle. Yeah. You gotta pass it.
Just one.
He's dying.
One rubber band.
Just fold the wings.
Just one.
Too much fun.
You don't want too much pressure on the toothpicks.
Toothpicks are not the glass fiber rods.
They'll rip through the styrofoam. That's just to keep the wings from wiggling out.
Yeah, no.
So these are the car batteries? Oh, they got these weird.
Recording.
Did you check all your surfaces?
Oh, yeah.
Is the battery plugged in?
Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
No!
Shut that off.
I have 2 cameras now.
Shut that off, baby.
Hold this for a second.
It's awesome.
Put it on the ground.
No, man.
It's still white. Why don't you keep it that way?
Monster transmitters. Seriously, the ground.
Ground is also where you break it up.
You hurt my plane, man.
Hey, man.
Planes are people, too. Turn that back.
See what you did there.
Oh, wait, you're gonna make me.
Did you want to fly it first?
Here,
I'll let you take it off.
I'll let you.
Oh, you put the control horn on the bottom of the elevator?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
You'll learn quickly on that.
Sure, I said it was great. No, I told you.
Yeah.
Lost it! Where is it? Lost it though.
Taking pictures?
Yeah.
Alright.
Why is there
Okay.
a yellow bot with a little alarm sign on
Come here.
it? Whoa. Now it's gone.
I'm flying, but
Yeah, fly. What are you talking about? It's gone.
okay, Sagan, I hate your camera in this.
I hate you, Marcus.
Was I flying? That's what I was thinking. Well, I wanted to show Sagan what that was.
Wow, that's windy. Oh my goodness. I so hope I got that.
I was expecting it to come in front of me, and I'm like, wait, where did I miss it?
I like how it just kept going though. You had your hand reversed.
Video.
Sometimes I get confused.
Yeah. Oh, that was the wrong one.
No, bro. See how much it spins? Spins to right.
Oh gosh, I'm
Yeah, it's
tripping
because
over.
there's not enough weight on it.
It seems fine to me.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Usually you control it. Where'd it go?
I know, I do that a lot.
Slow
too.
down. Watch out for the trees. Nice stall there.
Yeah, wrong
Yeah, just
field,
glide.
Anthony. Oh, come over here.
Little bit of power.
Turn it.
Perfect. You hear that?
Heard you. we try landing on the light poles again?
Sorry?
Should we try landing on the light poles again?
Again? No, my car's too close.
Did he say again?
Yeah. We used to do that at the parking lot to nowhere.
It was so much fun.
Yeah. We try to get it into the wind and then just drop it right on the light pole.
We've hit it. We did hit it. We almost had
We
it
hit
stop.
it. We never managed to stop. It's very slippery. It's like just smooth metal up there.
We need those the bird deterrents with the spikes.
Uh-huh.
We need
That would
those.
do
Just
it.
land that right.
Stick it.
Stuck the
That's
landing.
sticking the landing, yeah.
Whole new
Whoa, okay.
You have to stick this around right. There you go.
Oh, yeah!
Alright, Joe. You have to fix it like that.
I'll give it to
You have
you.
control.
Oh, I've had Dad, Troy, well, you can see it here. We played past the train of dinner a few times. Do you remember that, Troy?
When you power on pickoff.
Oh dear.
Blue will play.
Yeah, with the.
Oh, look, you're doing perfectly. You're doing this all on your own.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I still feel bad about
I was trying to come in, but then
that. Oh, no, he landed it.
He landed it hard.
Who knows?
Oh, where'd it go?
Yeah, buddy!
Oh, no way. That was awesome.
All right,
He didn't even
land
try to
it.
do it.
Little bit of flirt, let it glide in. Beautiful.
That is beautiful, Anthony.
And
nice
that
job.
flip.
You
Did you
got-
get that flip?
Yeah, I got that.
Did you really?
Yeah.
No, it's on accident, too.
You're not supposed to say that.
I'm not recording it. Oh wait, yeah, I am. Got that on.
When you're a 3D pilot and you do some stunt maneuver, you never say, I did that on accident. Why don't you pick up that rabbit snare off your wing, too? Why don't you fold that back in?
First, we're going to
You're
learn.
gonna snare a rabbit.
Practice, not practice.
it up, right?
Come on, you've already got
I did it.
4 flights today.
Yeah, you got enough. Keep them coming.
Enough?
That means your luck's gonna
And when
run
you slow
out.
it up, you get more reaction time. Just if you can slow it up, it gets a little fast. Just back off throttle. That was a good landing, though.
Why don't you take off it one at a time?
When you land, you're going to bring it into the wind too. Just glide over the. The wind took it from you.
The wind took
The wind stole
I
it.
would never go straight down into Have I?
Well, that makes me feel better to hear you say that. Let me just tell you.
That wasn't on
I feel much better.
Okay.
But you would not have done that on purpose. I thought you were trying to kill me.
You should have gained power
Like-
then.
Boy, should I take over? No, I don't want blame. Looks like it's not going to hit me. It's too late anyway. Sorry,
Did you say you didn't want to take the blame?
yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, Anthony.
How come the wind works with it? Bank to the right. Nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Very good.
Ready?
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
He's
I'll-
scared.
You could definitely do it much quicker.
He's a little scared.
I want to say. Okay, too much. That's what I mean. Oh wow, look at the boat.
got that on video.
Ah.
You want to fly it, I have no problem with that. I'm just saying
Catch
battery
it.
is limited.
Oh,
nice.
did you see that?
Did you get that on video?
You're fired.
There's a football catch.
It was the most beautiful landing.
That was nice, guys.
It never.
Crew, get out.
No, wrong way, wind. Well,
Nice, you barely missed it. You
I know.
barely missed it.
It's not moving at all. It's supposed to look like a wire. Looks like it's not
wire
plugged in.
came out.
Looks like not plugged in at all. Yeah, you just set it down.
I didn't unplug the wire.
rescue.
You like that?
You're goofy.
Never saw that coming, did you?
No. I don't know, you asked me.
Where are you going? Behind a tree.
Oh, I can't see it. Oh! Where'd it go?
It's.
I can't see it! He's gonna land it on the runway if
You want to back it on the grass?
first attempt. Oh, it's
Nice.
great landing. They had to stop in the grass.
I think that like is on the landing gear somewhere near it.
No ball on sure it's not.
Wow.
Yeah! Got it. Land it soon.
All right. Landing. But you know what? For the wind, I'm not gonna.
The wind is like directly in, down.